어쩜 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 going 이불 속에서 going은 언제나 너에게 going.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Siti Mastura from Study Program English Education Department, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, University of Matlaul Anwar, Banten. In this video, I will explain about the second novel series from Narnia with the title The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. Because Narnia has several series, but in this video I will only tell about the second series. The author of this novel is Clive Staples Lewis, United Kingdom country, fantasy and adventure genres, and this novel has 136 pages. The character is Peter, Susan, Edmund, Lucy, Aslan, Professor, Mr. Tumnus, White Witch, Mr. Beaver, and Mrs. Beaver, and Santa Claus. Actually, these are the characters who often appear in this novel. This novel tells the story of four siblings named Peter, Susan, Edmund, and Lucy were evacuated from London to escape the bombs. They were sent to professor who lived in the interior of UK. When the four children surrounded the house, Lucy finds a wardrobe which leads her to magical world, Narnia. There he met found named Mr. Tumnus, who invited Lucy to drink and eat at his house. Finally, he admitted his plan to report Lucy to the White Witch, but ultimately let Lucy go. When she returned to human world, Lucy's sibling didn't believe her about Narnia. However, her older brother Edmund went into the wardrobe into Narnia and met the White Witch, who claimed to be the Queen of Narnia, and befriended Edmund by offering Turkish wheat, which Edmund really liked. The witch told Edmund to take his siblings to Narnia in return for the sweets. Lucy meets Edmund in Narnia and they return to Professor's house. From Lucy's story, Edmund realized that the woman he met was the White Witch, but he didn't tell anyone about it. He even denies to Peter and Susan that he has entered Narnia. When Lucy tells them about it, the four of them still enter the world of Narnia when they hide in a wardrobe with a talking or other there. The Beaver told a prophecy that there would come two children of Adam and two children of Eve who would defeat the White Witch and fill the four thrones at Cair Paravel. The Beaver also tells the story of the real king of Narnia, a dashing lion named Aslan, who was disappeared for a long time, but now it's back again. Edmund secretly goes to the White Witch Palace, where there are many stone statues, namely the witch enemies who have been bewitched into stone. He is deemed to have failed to bring his three brothers and is locked up in the palace. Before who realized this, he immediately left his house and led the three siblings Alsan place. On the way, they continue to be hunted by the White Witch's orders. Santa Claus visits them and gives them gifts. Peter gets a sword and shield. Susan gets a trumpet and a set of arrows. Lucy gets a small vial containing healing fluid. which with a just drop can restore anyone who is dying, and a dagger. And Beaver gets a sewing tool. Finally, they were all able to meet Aslan and his army. Peter used his sword first against the wolves, which are the witch army, who tried to attack Susan and Lucy. After hearing the story from the three children, Aslan ordered some of his troops to pick up Edmund from the witch palace. The White Witch comes to Aslan and says that according to the law of deep magic from the dawn of time, he has the right to have Edmund because he has betrayed him. Aslan speaks to him privately and offers to replace Edmund. That evening, Aslan left the camp secretly, but is followed by Susan and Lucy, and he tells them of the exchange. The witch ties Aslan to a stone table and then kills him with a knife. Lucy and Susan approach Aslan, who was lying stiff, and were shocked when Aslan came back to life. Then Aslan explained that one of the laws of deep magic is that if an innocent life replaces a traitor, then that life remains alive. Aslan carried Lucy and Susan on his back and went to the witch palace, where they turned everything that had been enchanted into stone. Peter and Edmund led a war against the White Witch and her army, but they almost lost. Aslan arrives with the statues brought to life as reinforcements. Finally, the Narnians defeated their enemies and the White Witch was killed by Aslan. The four siblings eventually became kings and queens of Narnia. Several years later, those who had grown up hunted white deer. They saw a street light and walked straight into the bushes. When they entered, the bushes turned into couches and they returned to the wardrobe where they first entered Narnia, and also returned to being children. They returned to the professor's house. Okay, so that's a summary of the story and information about the novel with the title The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. If you want to know more details, please read the novel. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.